10 most expensive houses for sale in Bel Air. Anyone who's hip to Hollywood celebrities, California real estate, or just the 1990s sitcom that gave Will Smith his big break knows that Bel Air is the neighborhood for the wealthy and famous. Incredibly rich and famous people from all walks of life have either owned or currently own a remarkably lavish residence in this neighborhood. Some names that you might be familiar with include Jennifer Aniston, Beyoncé, Jenifer Lopez, and even Elon Musk. But have you ever wondered how much does it cost to be able to call yourself a resident of this incredibly fancy neighborhood? Well, buckle up, millionaires, because today we're going to check out the 10 most expensive houses for sale in Bel Air. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment the secret message written somewhere on the screen to get featured on the next video. Alright, let's begin. Number 10. 657 Perugia Way. Price $24.9 million. This is the most affordable house on our list today. And when the most affordable house on the list costs almost $25 million, you know that Bel Air isn't a cheap neighborhood. The fascinating part of this 8,434 square foot beauty is that it was actually built in 1932. However, it has since been remodeled and updated to provide all the modern amenities while also maintaining the charm of the era it was built in. The actual property, with the lawns, pool area, and other spaces thrown in, actually spans a nice 31,481 square feet. The entrance to the property features a beautiful little medieval looking gate with a stone pathway, while the interior of the house is beautifully furnished with wooden floors everywhere except the bathrooms, where gorgeous marble dominates the scene. The house features 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, a beautiful pool, several lounging areas, a gym, a huge terrace with beautiful views and plenty of greenery through various lawns. It'll take you right back to the beauty of the 30s while giving you all the awesomeness of 2021. Not a bad way to kick off our descent into the beauties of Bel Air. Number 9. 642 Perugia Way. Price $26.5 million. Spreading over an area of almost 1 acre, this house was designed by Quinn Architects, a UK-based luxury architecture firm. The house overlooks the Bel Air golf course along with other breathtaking views of the city. The views can be enjoyed from the floor-to-ceiling glass panels, which are present throughout the house in every direction. The flooring of the house is tastefully divided between wooden and stone. The interior of the house, from the flooring to the ceilings and all the way down to the furnishings, presents gorgeous European-style elements. The house has a total of 5 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, with the master suite stretching an impressive 2,100 square feet. The suite includes a luxurious oversized Italian marble bath with dual areas, custom dual closets, and a gorgeous terrace with the spa, and a lounge area with the fire pit. Other amenities of the house include an amazing pool, gym, wine cellar, and a private movie theater. Bel Air is already starting to look pretty fresh, isn't it? Number 8. 11,630 Moraga Lane. Price $27 million. This 19,127 square foot beauty has the word royalty written all over it. If the gorgeous architecture with French and Greek elements on the outside doesn't give it away, then the features of the house certainly will. Right off the bat, we have a lanai with dramatic medieval fire torches set up and a beautiful little in-ground pool that features a waterfall at one end. The lawns present a gorgeous and perfectly manicured landscaping with hand-carved finishes throughout. In total, the house includes 8 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. The master suite of the house comes with a gorgeous fireplace, a wet bar, 2 walk-in closets, and a balcony overlooking a beautiful view of the grounds. Adjacent to the master suite, you get the master bathroom with water closets, bidet, built-in vanity, porcelain clawfoot tub, state-of-the-art shower with multiple shower valves, body jets, rain showers, and a sauna and steam options as well. Other features the house comes with are a grand ballroom, a game room, gym, private theater, library, cigar room, wine cellar, and a 1,271 square foot sound resistant underground room as a bonus. That last feature may make it sound just a little creepy, but if you choose to ignore the prison dungeon prospect, it has a lot of fun possibilities. Number 7. 1035 Stradella Rd. Price $32 million. This beautiful 12,130 square foot residence sits on a whopping 1.3 acre estate on a tree-lined hillside in Bel Air. The views from this house not only show the gorgeous city, but also the beautiful blue ocean. This 7-bedroom and 14-bathroom house offers a barrage of amenities, including an infinity-edge pool, jacuzzi, a custom bar, a 12-seat theater, gym, steam or sauna room, wine room, and another pool on the lower level that extends over the hillside. A beautiful stone driveway with walls leads up to the 2 garages that the house offers. The house also includes a wonderful chef's kitchen with pantry and living and dining areas that open through glass walls to lounging terraces, an outdoor kitchen, and a central courtyard around. This house features gorgeous oak floors and beautiful white stone walls to complement it. The stunning interior of the house was designed by famous television personality and interior designer Faye Resnick. Just when you think you've seen it all in luxurious housing, Bel Air brings you back on your toes. Number 6. 11,100 Chalon Road. Price $34.9 million. This one is a little different from the rest of the list as it hasn't actually been built just yet, but it is on sale as the plans for its build have already been approved. Once it is built, it will be a gorgeous 33,000 square foot residence sitting on 1.56 acres of land. The house will include 7-bedroom suites, guest quarters, 4 powder rooms, elevator, media room, game room, gym, meditation room, indoor pool, outdoor infinity pool, spa, butler quarters, panic room, a 10-car garage, and a tennis court. And all of these will be surrounded by views of downtown Los Angeles, Century City, and the Pacific Ocean. So, if you happen to have approximately $35 million lying around, this beautiful residence awaits your check. Number 5. 301 Copa De Oro Rd. Price $35.9 million. An 11,920 square foot house sitting on 1 acre of land since 1934, the Beckons house is often referred to as a timeless Georgian landmark. It belonged to the Beckons family, who were pioneers in the moving and storage business in America. This gorgeous residence retains its beauty from the old days, with its plaster moldings, wrought iron doors, parquetry floors, and wood paneling, but has since been significantly renovated for the modern resident. It sits comfortably behind high hedges and gates to provide a grand luxurious vibe while maintaining privacy. Inside, it offers a luxurious and royal design, while the formal rooms lead to an expansive, beautiful lawn with beautiful sycamore trees growing out of it. The outdoor sitting arrangement by the pool offers a fire pit and endless serenity due to the high hedges and gates providing a completely detached experience from the outside world. The residence offers 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a media room, a gym, a gorgeous guest suite, a library, and something called the Great Room. Owning a gorgeous and luxurious piece of history in Bel Air is most definitely worth every penny in that $35 million price tag. Number 4. 670 Perugia Way. Price $38.5 million. Now we're clearly starting to see we're close to the top of the list. This beautiful 14,282 square foot residence sitting on top of approximately an acre or more of land brings pretty much everything you'd look for from a house in Bel Air. It has an incredibly stylish and elegant interior design with luxury furnishing, wooden flooring, and incredibly high ceilings. The formal foyer and skylit main gallery leads into the grand room, floor-to-ceiling motorized glass doors opening to the outdoor entertaining areas, gorgeous lawns, and an infinity edge pool with views of Bel Air Country Club. It offers 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, a dining room, a gourmet kitchen, 3 guest bedroom suites, gorgeous dual walk-in closets, silk carpets, a spacious office with a bathroom, 2-bedroom staff quarters residence, and an indoor lap pool and gym. A beautiful gated concrete driveway leads into the property and out of the world of the ordinary. Number 3. 277 Saint Pierre Rd. Price $46 million. This beast of a house spreads 36,000 square feet on over 47,900 square feet of land. It sits comfortably and privately behind large wrought iron gates and a plethora of mature redwood trees, and inside it offers pure luxury. The interior of the house reeks of royalty, with gorgeous marble flooring spread everywhere, and columns, pillars, and candlelit chandeliers, and circular stairways looking as if straight out of a castle. Outside, the house is approached by a gorgeous concrete driveway surrounded by beautiful lawns and fountains. What does the residence offer? Don't count on your fingers, because you'll run out before we're even halfway through the list. It has 8 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms, indoor pool, outdoor pool, bowling alley, indoor racquetball court, cinema, a 2-story living room, vast entertaining spaces, gourmet kitchens, multiple offices, multiple dining rooms with breathtaking views, indoor poolside lounging areas, outdoor poolside lounging areas, and of course a state-of-the-art gym with all the equipment you can ask for. If this mansion won't make you feel like a fresh prince, nothing will. Number 2, 11,490 Orem Road. Price, $49 million. This one is perhaps the most unique house on this list stylistically speaking. It won an AIA award for all the right reasons. The famous architectural genius Zoltan Pali had a vision of a 3-story residence to float above its surroundings, and this house does exactly that. The steel and glass structure features floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors all around it, providing breathtaking panoramic views of the Getty Center, downtown Los Angeles, and the Pacific Ocean. The house consists of 3 wings, which altogether combine views, scale, and comfort to create a one-of-a-kind living experience. Among its offerings are included 6,000 square feet of deck space, 9 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms, dual master suites, dual chef's kitchens, shaded patios with fire pit lounges, an LED-lit pool and spa, 1,000-bottle wine room, Dolby Atmos theater, wellness center, parking for 30 cars, and a 4-bedroom guest house. Not bad for only $49 million, huh? Number 1, 10,701 Bellagio Rd. Price, $59 million. A masterpiece of elegance and beauty, this house spans a massive 24,000 square feet, sitting on 42,285 square feet of land. A house is an understatement, as the best description of the property is that of a French manor. Sitting in the heart of Old Bel Air, this offers views of the Bel Air Greenbelt to the iconic LA skyline and beyond. The interior encapsulates all the grace and elegance that the exterior of the house promises at first sight, with brand new chevron wood flooring throughout and perfectly portioned spaces abound. The house offers 8 grand bedroom suites, 12 bathrooms, staff quarters, guest house, world-class movie theater, wellness center, grand ballroom, an exquisite black marble bar with seamlessly integrated indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces, rolling lawns of green, parking for 30+ cars with auto gallery, and of course a gym, a pool with a floating footbridge this time, and all the usual suspects, just 10 times more elegant and luxurious. Now you know to expect nothing less than a luxurious residence when entering a house with a Bel Air address. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 most expensive houses for sale in Bel Air. So, what did you think of all these expensive houses? Would you like to own one? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time on the channel. Bye!